So for the branching exercise, it was a little bit trickier. Um, so here, I wanted to create two outputs. Kind of like make it again a little bit more dynamic. So first, the first input output, let A. I move it to the left and then move it 40 pixels down so that I will get two outputs, one lower and one above of the other output. I used a show turtle, but I deleted it for here. It is very handy because it shows you which direction you're going. So then maybe I should just show it, but if the input is less than 50, it should say that it's too low. If the input is anything else than 50, it should say better in green, so like 60, 70, blah blah blah. And then I added a second one, which is this one above, let B, and this one I moved it a little bit up, right 90 to this direction and 70 pixels. And if B is greater than 100, then the output should be incredible, kind of like show type of performance and percentages. So if you give me 50%, if you give me less than 50%, then you're gonna get too low. If you give me 60, is good. If you get to 100, fortunately it's still good, even though 100 is a good better score. But anything above 100, you get incredible in green. Blue is the midpoint. Now unfortunately I couldn't figure out a way to make one disappear. I did see that there was the OR code here in the video, that there was the equal, not equal, less, greater, but it's not, it doesn't really, I wasn't able to do that. So anything in between, you get two goods. Below 40, below 50, sorry, well, you see the too low, and 120, you see incredible. I thought this was interesting. It didn't work. When I was writing the code, sometimes it will give me incredible and too low. Maybe if I do it the other way, and if not, then that was just yeah, it's interesting how it does that. But yeah, I wanted to do something a little bit more dynamic, but unfortunately I wasn't able to get rid of the other one for branching. But yeah, that's my exercise. Of course, I can always delete the second output and I will be showing just one. Thank you.